Hello and welcome back to our Doing Business in Nigeria series. My name is Teniola, and today we will be discussing an important aspect of business operations: labor. Understanding the laws that govern employment in Nigeria is not only essential for employers but also for employees. So whether you're a business owner or just curious about the Nigerian labor laws, hang in there, we've got you covered. As the most populous African nation, Nigeria boasts a labor force of more than 73 million people, as reported by the World Bank in 2022. The 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria ensures that employees receive equal pay for equal work without discrimination based on any account of sex, ethnicity, religion, or political opinion. More so, employers are mandated by law to provide written contracts within 3 months of hiring an employee. These contracts should comprehensively outline important particulars such as name of employer, name and address of the worker, and place and date of engagement, nature of employment if the contract is for a fixed term, the date when the contract is supposed to expire, the appropriate period of notice to be given by any party that wishes to terminate the contract, rate of wages, the manner and also the periodicity of the payments, and other terms and conditions relating to work hours, holiday and holiday pay, incapacity to work due to health reasons, as well as any provisions for sick pay and any other thing that is important for the purpose of the contract. In Nigeria, wages become due and payable at various intervals: daily, weekly, monthly, or as agreed upon. As at the time of shooting this video, the minimum wage is 30,000 naira per month. The law provides that every worker shall be entitled to at least 6 working days holiday or leave with full pay after 12 months of continuous service. Employees are also entitled to federal government approved holidays such as Workers' Day, Democracy Day, Independence Day, and religious holidays. Furthermore, the Pension Reform Act requires employers and employees to contribute to a pension scheme. An employer is also mandated to maintain a group life insurance policy to the tune of at least 3 times of the emolument of the individual employee. In addition, employers are expected to contribute towards a mandatory employee compensation scheme administered by the Nigerian Social Insurance Trust Fund, NSITF. Section 14 of the National Health Insurance Act of 2022 mandates that employers with 5 or more staff register themselves as their employees in health insurance schemes. For employment termination, an employer may dismiss an employee if there is a fundamental breach of employment contract. Employers are encouraged to itemize examples of such breaches and inform employees through their employment contract. This process ensures that both employers and employees have a clear understanding of circumstances that may lead to termination. In Nigeria, employment-related disputes are resolved through the National Industrial Courts, a specialist court for settlement of trade and labor disputes, guided by the Trade Dispute Act of 1976. We have a full episode on employment of expatriates and the immigration process, where we discuss the requirements to hire an expatriate in Nigeria. You can click on the link on your screen to watch that episode. Labor is the blood of any business, and adhering to labor laws is a fundamental aspect of doing business anywhere in the world, Nigeria inclusive. So compliance is not just a legal obligation, it's a crucial step to building a sustainable enterprise. At Transact, we have a team of experts with a deep understanding of the Nigerian labor laws, and we're here to help. If you're a business owner, HR professional, or anyone with questions about labor regulations in Nigeria, you can send us an email at info@transact.com. Also, check the caption below for the link to download our detailed Doing Business in Nigeria guide. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you know when we drop our next video.